So Tom, Jane, and Sue each purchased a new house, and the average of the three houses is 120,000. So here at the very top, I'm going to use yellow to highlight, I believe. I summed the three totals, Tom, Jane, and Sue, divided by 3, and that gave me 120,000. That was the average. And then I cleared my fractions. I multiplied both sides by 3 to clear my fractions. And I get T plus J plus S equals 3 times 120, which equals $360,000. Okay, so we know T plus J plus S equals 360,000. So in clue 1, we have T, Tom, his is 110,000. So plug in 110 right here, and we get 110,000 plus J plus S. J plus S is $360,000. Subtract 110,000 from both sides, and you get $250,000. Okay, so J plus S is $250,000, and we know Tom is 110. We know when you sum the two, J plus S, it has to give you 250. So I said, what if we let J equal S equal 125? Because 125 plus 125 is going to give you your 250. So over here, look at the median. I took those three numbers, 110,000, 125,000, 125,000, and put them in increasing order, and your median would be $125,000. Okay, but that's where we let them equal, but we don't know they're equal. So let's just choose some other numbers. Let's let J equal $120,000 and S be 130 because the sum is 250, which is what I have to have. Now take my three numbers that I know, the 110, 120, and 130, and put them in increasing order over here, and your median would be 120. So I didn't get the same one no matter what, so clue 1 does not work. Let's move on to clue 2 and go through the same process. Here, Jane is $120,000. I plugged that in my equation here for Jane, and that left me with T plus S equal 240. So first time through, I'm going to let T equal S, and that'd be 120. Because 120,000 plus 120,000 would give me 240,000. Now take these two numbers. Well, they're all 120,000 in this case, and the median would be 120,000, the middle number. Now, let's do something different. Let's say Tom is 100,000 and Sue is 140,000. That sum is 240, which is what I have to have. Now line them up in increasing order. That's 100,000 and the 120,000, which is Jane, then 140,000. Here the median is also 120. Okay, that was where S, Sue, was larger. Now let me see. Oh, I did the very same thing again. Let's let Tom be 140 and Sue be 100, but you're still going to get the same results. The median will be 120,000. So clue 2 works with all my categories or all my different strategies, and the answer would be B.